we're gonna show you some of the nicest things you'll find in a home in the GTA. Number 5, 9-foot ceilings throughout and 18-foot ceilings in the dining room where I'm standing. Number 4, this custom-built walk-in closet, leading you into this. Number 3, this fully renovated, spacious basement that lets you unwind, but also entertain. Number 2, this modern kitchen, beautiful windows, and this. Number 1, this beautiful backyard oasis. Book your showing today. Cheers!